Good morning, my dear students. We will continue today the previous lesson, lesson 22, punctuation. We have already learned, isn't it? Learned about the punctuation marks. So let's continue the lesson. Open the book, page number 92. Did you find? Okay. See the book. Number E. The sign of interrogation means question mark. Okay. The sign of interrogation is used at the end of a direct question. So the sign of interrogation mark is used at the end of direct question. Example, what are you doing here? Who is he? Directly questioning, isn't it? Okay, now next, number F, the note of exclamation. So this is the exclamatory mark. The note of exclamation is used after words or sentences which express sudden feeling or wish. So the exclamation mark is used after words or sentences which expresses sudden feeling or wish. Understood? Okay, let's see the example. Alas, I am undone. Long live our principle. Punctuation mark. So did you understand? Okay, so punctuation mark is used after words or sentences which express sudden feeling or wish. Here we have seen the example. Isn't it? Alas, I am under sudden feeling. Then, long live our principle. Here, wishing for the principle, isn't it? Okay. Now next, number G. Inverted commas. So this is the sign of inverted comma. Please learn that. Inverted commas indicate the beginning and the end of a quotation or of the actual words used by a speaker. So inverted commas indicates the beginning and the end of a quotation or of the actual words used by a speaker. Are you getting it? Inverted commas indicate the beginning and the end of the quotation or the actual words that is used by the speaker. Okay? See the example. You are right, my son, said the father. The Pope says, a little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Now next, the apostrophe. It is used, first number, to indicate possessive case of nouns. So apostrophe is used to indicate possessive case of nouns. See the example, first number, a girl's doll, a cow's tail. Second number, for Mary's sake, to one's heart's content, at one's wits end, 1 week's holiday. Second number, the apostrophe is used to indicate the omission of letters. The apostrophe is used to indicate the omission of letters. Okay, see the example. Don't, do not. Shan't, shall not. Want, would not. Honorable, honorable. Ist, It is. It's. It is. Okay. So the apostrophe is used to indicate the omission of letters. Just now we have seen the examples, isn't it? Okay. So now let's do exercise 2. Punctuate the following sentences. So let's punctuate the following sentences. First number, help, help. So put the punctuation mark. Help, H capital. Help, then punctuation mark. Help. Again punctuation mark. Second number, where has Rajendra gone? I need him here. So write the answer. Where? W capital. Where has Rajendra? R capital. Rajendra gone. Question mark. Then I capital. I need him here. Full stop. Number 3. Have you ever visited Singapore, Malaysia and Thailand during Christmas? It's wonderful. Right answer. Have you? H capital. Have you ever visited Singapore? S capital. Comma. Malaysia. M capital. Malaysia and Thailand. T capital. During Christmas. C capital. Christmas. Question mark. Then next, it's wonderful. I capital. It's wonderful. Full stop. Next, number 4. The Taj Mahal is India's pride. It is visited by lakhs of Americans and Chinese tourists in December. Right answer. The T capital. The Taj Mahal. T capital. Then Mahal. M capital. The Taj Mahal is India's. I capital. India's. India. Then apostrophe. Then S. India's pride. Full stop. It. I capital. It is visited by lakhs of Americans. A capital. And Chinese. C capital. Tourists in December. D capital. Then full stop. In December. Next, number 5. Yes, I will help you, Charlie. Yes. Y capital. Comma. I capital. I will help you, Charlie. C capital. Then full stop. Number 6. Will you go to Banaras in July? Mr. Agrawal asked Mithali. Right the answer. Will you? W capital. Will you go to Banaras? B capital. In July. J capital. In July. Question mark. Mr. M capital. Mr. Agrawal. A capital. Asked Mithali. M capital. Full stop. Number 7. The GPO handles many letters every day, said the MP, Mr. Anthony. Right answer. The T capital. The GPO. Capital letter. GPO. Handles many letters every day, comma, said the Mr. MP. M capital. Dot. P capital. MP. Mr. M capital. Mr. Anthony. Full stop. Next, number 8. How lovely, exclaimed Lalu, looking at the rainbow in the sky. How lovely. H capital. How lovely. Then exclamation mark. Explained. E capital. exclaimed Lalu. L capital. Lalu looking at the rainbow in the sky. Full stop. Number 9. Rahul's kite was orange, green and white. So he kept it for Independence Day. Write the answer. Rahul's. R capital. Rahul. Apostrophe. Then S. Rahul's kite was orange, O capital, comma, green, G capital, green and white, W capital, full stop. So, S capital. So, he kept it for Independence, I capital, Independence Day, D capital, Independence Day, full stop. Number 10. Where are my spectacles? Oh, they are on the top of my head. The answer is where? W capital. Where are my spectacles? Question mark. O. O capital. O. Then exclamation mark. They are on the top of my head. Full stop. So we have done exercise 2. Now let's move to exercise 3. Use the apostrophes to shorten the following words. So, now we will be using apostrophe to shorten the words. Okay, to shorten the words. I am. Example here. I am. I do not. I don't. You can write down. You are. Your. She is. She is. She, then apostrophe S. She is. They are. They are. She has. She is. They would. They would. Next. They would. They would. He cannot. He can't. He is not. He isn't. I have. I've. I have not. I haven't. Have you done it? Alright. So, we have completed doing exercise 3. Here the exercise is given punctuate the following joke. Here you can punctuate it. Okay. Use the punctuation mark. You can see here Bunny and I are both. Bunny, B capital, you can use Bunny and I capital. I are both fat. Full stop. Then W capital. We decided to lose weight. Full stop. Again we. W capital. We resolved to go for walks at the Lodhi Gardens every morning. Full stop. I capital. It was 1st January. J capital. 2009. A Monday. M capital. Monday. When we started off with a brisk walk followed by jogging, comma, running, comma, toe touching and a bit of yoga. Full stop. Tuesday. T capital. Tuesday and Wednesday went off well. Bunny did not turn up on Thursday. Full stop. What would you, W capital, what could the matter be? I asked. I capital. I asked myself. I capital. I went to her house. Full stop. I capital. I found Bunny. B capital. Bunny reading in bed. Full stop. The. T capital. The books. Book. Then apostrophe S. The book's title. The joys. T capital, the choice of laziness. Did you understand? So please learn where you have to use capital letters and the punctuation marks. Everything you have to learn. Okay? Revise the lesson again and learn the exercises. See you in next class. Thank you.